love.
Not about being in love anymore. You know what this is gonna do to Daddy? That's
but
like
he
his
cheated on me first. Wake up, kid.
But he picked someone you never care about.
Stop raising your voice. Stop raising your voice. I've had enough of this with you. Okay? I have had enough of this. Oh, get out of my face.
You know what Daddy's capable of. You can only imagine what I'm capable of.
You back up, little girl. Okay? I'm twice your age. I'll take you. Understand
You
me?
know what? Actually, you're not even worth this. Because you know what I'm going to do?
What are you going to do? What are you going to do?
I have bigger fish to fry than you.
You do?
Yes, a lot bigger.
Okay. We'll find out. We'll find out.
All right, let's meet Mark. There's Mark.
Oh, boy.
Huh? What are you doing?
What am I
What are
doing?
you thinking?
What am I
What's
thinking?
the matter with you? Eric? You putting your hands on your mother and you putting your hands on her? Do I put my hands on you?
No. But
Have I ever put my hands on you?
No. But if you don't stop.
Stop what?
Okay.
Stop
You
what?
don't stop.
I'm not the one who brought us here. You brought us here.
You're the reason why we're here. What about a year ago with the cocktail waitress? What about
ago?
Don't even start that. You put your hands on that cocktail waitress. You slept with that cocktail waitress. 10 years. 10 years together. Don't even.
Get out of my face.
Get out of your face.
Get out of my face.
Get out of your face. How dare you?
What don't you understand about what I'm saying?
Oh! What did you?
Why?
Get away now. You are the reason why we're here. You.
I wonder why he cheated.
Okay? You. Shut your mouth, little girl. It's between me and your father, not you.
What do you do at the Polish club? What is it?
Jerry, first of all, I'm sorry about my behavior yesterday at the hotel. I'm sorry to Mike.
Apologize to Mike!
Apologize to Mike!
Apologize to Mike!
Where's Mike?
Apologize to Mike!
No problem. I'm sorry. I have a lot of respect for you, brother.
I got no problem with you, man.
A lot of respect.
Ain't nothing personal.
Jerry, I'm responsible for everybody's
Yes.
safety in my club. And I run it like a Jesuit high school headmaster. Plain and simple. I'm not an easy man to be with. I'm not an easy man to get along with. And all I know how to do is everything from the heart.
But if you love her, you did mess up, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. I did.
Now, was
I
it
admitted that
a
to her.
one-night stand, or was it a long-term
It
relationship
wasn't a
with her?
long-term relationship. It was a couple of times. I was on the road, lonely, missing my wife.